Hello, sir. You are exhibiting here at Ericsson booth a connected car station, a connected bus station. How does it work?
It works like this. A smart city needs to have smart transportation. And we think bus stops is an underutilized infrastructure which is out there today that many can benefit from. And I think this bus stop has three winners. The first one being the operator. They can integrate our small cell solutions directly into the bus stop. That is something we're doing today already in Holland. So they have access now to a whole bunch of new sites. They operate the KPN. The second winner is of course the passenger. Well, they can have a connected experience of public transport. They can stay productive, they can stay in contact with friends, they can use their time in public transport. Very important for passengers today. And we found that out in our consumer lab study when we researched the pain points of public transport. But also, passengers want to be connected or stay up to date on the information. So with our traffic management solution that you see behind us here, and with the case that we have implemented, for example, in Goiânia in Brazil, passengers know when the buses are expected to leave, and the public transport authority can manage all the buses very efficiently to reduce their cost and get a good service for the passengers.
I saw that you can also buy tickets because you have an NFC terminal there.
Exactly, with an NFC terminal you can do a whole bunch of things. You can interact with the commuter in a whole new way. Let me show you something funny and cool. But perhaps you have a advertisement campaign and you wanted to do a cool game, so you can do like this. That you actually create a competition on the bus stop, perhaps for some brand that want to have a good interaction with their consumers or the passengers. And then you could create a game instead of just having a boring old campaign. So you can do a whole bunch of things with NFC. This is just one example. It's hard to play with my back turned to the screen though.
Do you also have integrated some sensors to measure the pollution or the temperature?
Exactly. The last winner, of course, with a bus stop like this is the environment. When people move from public transport to, or from cars to public transport, we can have lower carbon footprint. And in a bus stop like this, it's very easy to put in a sensor to measure air quality, pollution, noise and so on. So the city could really be getting data on all of these metrics in order to improve the environment for its users or its inhabitants.
How does the entire solution work? Do you need 5G communications or what is the principle?
How does the communication work?
Yes.
In this case, we have 4G connectivity that we can build into the bus stop, and this could be any bus stop. It doesn't need to be this model, it could be the one that you're having locally already. These are underutilized assets, as I mentioned in the beginning. But there could also be Wi-Fi. I mean, if that's the preferred choice, you can integrate it with Wi-Fi solution and have hotspots right here.
Do you happen to have a price for a connected bus station?
I mean, the bus stops you buy from JCDecaux or Clear Channel or any other company that produces the bus stops. From us, you can buy, of course, the mini links, the RBSs and so on, and really provide the connectivity. You can buy the device connectivity platform to really connect your sensors in your city, for example. So the bus stop is not something that we sell, unfortunately. But I think you've already bought them in a lot of cities, so you don't need to buy them twice.
Thank you so very much.
Thank you.